Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a shoulder and upper body workout. So a lot of arms and shoulders coming your way here in this session. As you can see, the gym is right behind me and I'm parked here on the side today. And I'm going to go to a less crowded gym today, so hopefully it's not as bad. I waited till about 7 p.m. to come out here, and let's make it a great workout. Today I got the Rocks pre-workout. I'll just put in some sparkling ice. So this is the Zoa. Cheers. Make it a great day, guys. Make sure you hit your workouts and check out my TikTok shop product showcase. I got some new electrolytes in. A lot of the Jocko protein is on sale for 30 bucks. So a lot of good stuff in there. You guys have a great day. Alright, the first few I did of these, I didn't even fucking record them. First set, 185. Two. Set 2 of this 135. Try just feet on the ground this time instead of using that little rest they got. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, hit the edge of it. Hit this fucking thing. We got 3 somewhat reps. That's why I took those off real quick. I'm gonna try to go in real quick. I tired myself out on those calisthenics before we started. I've already been here 34 minutes. This was supposed to be my first real exercise, but now we're back down to the 135s. I feel like it's been all right. I haven't done the seated in a while, so I won't complain. Just trying to find a comfortable grip. We'll use this little thing they put for your feet down here, whatever they call it. After doing the calisthenics and a couple sets into your shoulders, we're going to take the Orbach electrolytes, lemon flavor, tastes like water ice. Sugar free, but it's got some stevia sweetener in there. So all your electrolytes, 130 servings for 18 bucks, crazy deal. I'm gonna take a mid-workout. As you know, you gotta do with the electrolytes. Let's get it. All right, guys. After doing the calisthenics and a couple sets into your shoulders, we're gonna take the Orbach electrolytes, lemon flavor, tastes like water ice. Sugar free, but it's got some stevia sweetener in there. So all your electrolytes, 130 servings for 18 bucks, crazy deal. I'm gonna take a mid-workout. I feel like I'm just gonna hit these damn things and then I move the chair up. We got 4. I only did a couple seconds of rest. Let's see if I can grab 5 in the next 10, 20, 30 seconds. But first, I'm gonna do my Orbach electrolyte mix, 130 servings. Tastes just like limoncello. Only the best in the HuntsFitShop, you know. Alright guys, 135 going up. Alright, we got what? We got 55 on each side, little 110 presser. 10 presser. Oh, I gotta get it together. I just did a set. I don't know why I tried to immediately go back into it. So I get the right grip on it. This is definitely the last one. Just kind of letting it get a little deeper in the stretch there. Parts of that video, my head got cut off because I was trying to film it sideways, so now I'm gonna just film it straight up. That way less people are in the clip anyway, so. Back to those 80 views. Sideways. Alright, slight intermission from the easy bar curls. I'm gonna go down and grab some 40s and then we'll get some barbell curls. Drinking some more of the Orbach lemon. It's good. Alright, bicep curls, sitting down straight ahead with the 40s. With the help of that Orbach electrolytes. Grab that shit in the TikTok shop showcase. 130 servings. With the help of that Orbach electrolytes. Grab that shit in the TikTok shop showcase. 130 servings. Curls. Boom. Switch it up. Alright, so not going front. This is the first time I've comfortably curled the 50s. Usually I would kind of going through most of my fitness experience, I'd be at like 35. But I've been grinding, so I've been going up on the weights. But it's not easy by any fucking means. But got some 50s. Alright, back to 80-pound easy bar. Alternating from easy 50s. 50-pound hammers. $65.